In this video, I'll show you how to toggle off or on typing indicators on Signal Android. Begin first by opening up your Signal app. My Signal app is on my home screen. I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once Signal has opened, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner, then tap on Settings. In your settings, look for Privacy and tap on it. Underneath the subheading Messaging, you should see Typing Indicators. If typing indicators are disabled, you won't be able to see typing indicators from others. Currently, that's toggled on. Basically, when you have typing indicators toggled on, you'll be able to see the ... when people are typing you a message. They'll also be able to see those ... when you are typing a message to them too. If you don't want to see the ... or typing indicators, you can simply tap on this toggle to disable or turn off typing indicators. And there we go, typing indicators have now been disabled on Signal. And that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed the vid, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?